Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by choosing a local Excel-compatible app so you avoid any Microsoft account. Install LibreOffice Calc or only Office Desktop now. These open XLSX files and preserve most formulas. Once done, make sure file associations point to the new app so double-clicking opens spreadsheets. Also create a quick backup on an external drive or a separate folder. This protects against compatibility glitches. You do this first to ensure editing proceeds offline, and you can revert if formatting or macros behave unexpectedly. You now open your workbook and inspect key elements so you know what might break. Open the XLSX file directly in Calc or only Office. Once opened, check formulas named ranges, pivot tables, and any macros because some features differ. If everything looks usable, save a copy in the app's native format like odds, so edits stay stable and autosave works locally. If you need to share later, export back to XLSX, but keep the native file as your working master for fewer surprises. You finish by validating results and preparing files for others. Review sheets, recalc, and then export a final. XLSX if recipients need Microsoft Excel, keep the native. Odds backup. If formatting or charts shift, reapply styles or export a PDF to preserve layout. If macros fail, consider converting VBA to supported scripts or use a conversion tool. Alternatively, isolate macro work on a machine with Excel. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup and recheck compatibility settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.